Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from, yet again, James from Lakeside, California. He always finds some rad stuff for me, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, well, this is from a brand I've never heard of before. I believe it's pronounced Mishik or Mishik, or it's just Mishik, and it's squid ramen. I'm really curious about this one, obviously. It's got something squishy in there, so that might be squid ink. I don't know, but we'll find out. And here's something on the newer end of the stick from Nongshim. This is Sun Tofu Noodles, and it has a tofu block. I have tried this one. It's okay. The tofu block ends up breaking up, and it's so soft that it's almost like hard for the palate to actually tell that it's a substance. I'll have to be honest, but it's not bad. I mean, it's interesting, and for those who are really big fans of Sun noodle, yeah, you'll probably dig this one. And here's another one that's kind of on the Bulldog bandwagon, but this is from Ace Cook Vietnam, Vina Ace Cook. This is the Shuke wok style, and it's a spicy cheese chicken variety. So it'll be kind of like a cheese bulldog kind of thing. I don't know though, these seem to be much more savory and tasty. Not on the same level of heat, but really, really quite good. Oh wow, and definitely the favorite out of the pack, the box rather. This is Vifon, which is a Vietnamese company, and this is their golden chicken. However, this is made for the Polish market. Vifon has got a big thing with Poland. I don't know why, but hey, I can't complain. When they make varieties for European markets and I can get my hands on them, I am stoked. So thank you very much. Well, another big thanks to James from Lakeside, California for sending such cool stuff. I really appreciate it, man. And yeah, I don't know. It's really kind. So thank you very, very much. And I'll be trying these soon. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.